Hello, I'm Lily.
I'm Steve.
And together we're Team Geeky for TTS 2021. We're going to introduce Colloquia11y, our accessible conferencing solution that we built using Telnyx and symbl.ai.
The problem here was about phones. Phones give you access to everyone on the planet. Unfortunately, phones are not very accessible. It's audio only. So some people who don't have hearing, either permanently or temporarily, or don't have voice, temporarily or permanently, have great difficulty using them at times. So we've built a system where if you're on a conference call and on a phone, rather than say a video conference on a computer, the phone allows one person to be speaking and that voice to be converted to text for the people who are not able to do so. And when the person responds, they respond via text, and that's converted to voice for everyone else. Now, to explain how that magic actually works, is over to Lily.
So we start with a call to a webhook for Telnyx API. As a human user, my details get saved, my phone number and my call control ID, and I get put into a conference room.
Welcome to this conference demo. Please wait for other participants to join.
Then the app calls or makes symbl.ai call in onto the American number that's attached to the same conference room and wait. A user that will join in via text will send the word join with the conference room ID, and the voice from Telnyx will tell all the other participants that are on the audio version of the call that someone is here.
Steve has joined via text.
Then, as a speaking user, I can say any sentence I'd like, and we'll send a text message back to the users that are joining remotely. And back and forth, that person can then send the text in, and it will speak the message out.
Hello, Steve.
Steve says, hello, Lily.
What a constructive meeting.
Steve says, no meeting is constructive.
Okay then. See you later. Bye.
Okay, leaving.
And there's some clever logic in there to make sure that symbl.ai doesn't start sending its own messages back to itself.
Yes, so the speak command can be told to the participants only, or specific participants only. So because I know which of the human users are in the room, I can speak the text that comes in just to them, so symbl.ai doesn't try to transcribe what's being said.
And I suppose once you've got at this point and you're able to send and receive textual messages, there's no reason why someone on the call, whether they're speaking with a voice or via text, couldn't be translated. You could put a translation API here, so someone could be texting in French and it would be translated to English for the rest of the participants, or vice versa. So there's a lot of other scope possible with this, and this is really sort of the culmination of voice in and out through a phone line with Telnyx, as well as the live transcription of symbl.ai and the text message in and out as well through Telnyx. But there is really a lot of moving parts in here, so I think there's a lot more scope for exploration. But I think that's everything I had to say.
Yes.
So there we go, that's us. Who are we?
With Team Geeky, and that was Colloquia11y.